The snipping tool. This tutorial is to show you about the features of the snipping tool, which come with Windows operating System 7. When I used to want to capture something on the screen, I would hit the print screen button, copy it into Word, and then use the cropping tools to get just the part of the screen capture that I wanted. But with the snipping tool, it becomes much easier and you have many more features. If I go to the Start menu, you'll see I use the snipping tool a lot, so it has already put itself in my Start menu. If it's not there, you go to All Programs, you go to Accessories, and then you find the snipping tool there. And when you click on it, you will get this overlay. Now, once you have the overlay, you get this snipping tool window. And there are options you can look at later. I usually leave the default ones in place. You could cancel it at this time if you didn't have the right page up, or you could go to the drop-down arrow beside New. And I am going to choose from these different snips a rectangular snip. When I do that, it gives me a crosshair. I click and hold on whatever part of the page that I want to capture and check and make sure I've got it correctly, and then when I let go, it goes into a snipping window. Now at this stage of the game, I could simply copy it and paste it into a Word document if I didn't want to keep it. I could also get the highlighter, and I could, before I ever save it, I could highlight something. I could get the pen tool, and if I needed to, I could draw a line to something and say, most important. Obviously, the pen's not very great, but you get the gist. And then at this stage of the game, I'm going to show you. If I copy it, and I go down to the Word document, and I right-click, and I say Paste, there is my snip with my annotations, which is kind of neat. And I could also go to my picture tools in Word if I wanted to do other editing. However, the other thing that you can do, and I'm going to go back to the system tray to find the icon for the snipping tool, is I could actually save this if I thought that I was going to need it again. Now, say I wanted the snip, but I didn't want the annotation. I can click on the eraser tool, and when I click on the different things that I have done for annotations, it takes them right away. All right, now I could go to Save Snip. And it gives me, I would find a location. For right now, I'm going to leave it in my picture library. And I am going to give it a name so that I would recognize it. I might even make a folder that was called Screen Snips. Bloom's Revised, T-A-X-O-N-O-M-Y. Okay, whoops. And then I'm going to hit Save. And now, if I needed that snip again, I could get it. So for right now, I'm going to X out of the snip. I'm going to click back into my Word document, and I am going to say Insert, and I'm going to say Picture. And now what I'm going to do is go to my picture library and find that snip, which I saved as Bloom's Revised Taxonomy, and insert it. And then here comes another snip into my document. You can see this one does not have the annotation on it. So that's it. The snipping tool is a terrific tool, and I hope you enjoy using it.